I'm homesick. This feeling that I'm feeling, no, it don't quit. It's like half of me is missing, heaven knows it. That all I wanna do is be alone with your brown eyes entangled up, just holding on to you tonight until the morning. Baby, that's the dang truth. If home is where the heart is, I'm homesick for you. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks so much for coming, for watching today. I really appreciate it. So all of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. I seriously, I love it every time I get new subscribers. And it's been going up a lot, so I appreciate it. And I appreciate your positive feedback, so it means a lot to me. So I wanted to say, this is a great song. It's a sweet song. But one thing too, just for beginners, my lessons are typically more for people that are pretty early on, right? One thing that really frustrated me early on with playing guitar was so this song has a kind of, it's not crazy, but it's like a little bit of an intricate intro, right? And I don't know, it's the thing that was really frustrating for me early on was I can't learn to play. I couldn't learn to play all that stuff, right? All the picking and sliding and stuff like that. And so what I'm doing is I want you to know, don't stress about that sometimes. If you can't get it, that's okay. So you can skip that and just play the chords and stuff and it will sound great. You don't have to play a song exactly how they do on the album version, right? Or live or whatever, right? You can just, if you can play it and it's got the same sound and the same rhythm, that's great. So sometimes people say, oh, I'm having a hard time getting the rhythm because I listen to the song and I'm not teaching you how to play it exactly like they do in the song. Well, sometimes I want you to be able to play it so that you can play and sing at the same time, because that's what I do. I'm all about showmanship, all right? So I am all about that. So keep that in mind, all right? So some of this, and that's not just for this song, that's for all songs. Just keep in mind that you don't have to be exact on everything, all right? You can, it's rhythm and sound. That's what music is, and it's beautiful, all right? So today we're gonna do Homesick by Kane Brown. This is a great song. And right now, I'm a bachelor, I live by myself. I don't have any roommates or anything. I just have my own apartment in the city. And during this COVID-19 stuff, I haven't been able to go see hardly anybody. So it gets a little lonely, and I do get a little bit homesick right now. So I thought I would teach you guys this song, especially it's a great song, and I haven't done the Kane Brown song for you guys yet. So anyway, let's get into it. Capo on the 1st fret, standard tuning. You're going to use a few basic chords here, okay? You're going to use G, and I'm playing it like this right now, but most of the song I actually play it like that, okay? Because you go from a C to G. So you're going to do G, and you're going to do D, all right? Then you're going to do E minor, and then you're going to do C, okay? And that's almost the entire song in the chord progression, okay? So the strumming pattern is going to be like this, all right? So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. See that? That's D, so you switch right there. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's dancing in the kitchen, you singing my favorite songs, swinging on the front porch, just laughing at the dogs. Now you swear you love me more when you're whispering goodnight. All these little moments, every reason why I'm homesick. See, you notice it didn't change the whole time, so it's gonna be the same in the verse and the chorus, okay? So you're just gonna do that same thing the whole time, okay? Now the time that it'll be different is at the end of the chorus, okay? So follow me on this part, right? Okay, so you can see I'm doing a G chord, so it's I'm homesick, this feeling that I'm feeling, no it don't quit. D, it's half a million missing, heaven knows it. So on heaven knows, you do E minor, heaven knows it. That's all I want. So C is all I want to do is be alone with G. Your brown eyes entangled up, just holding D onto you tonight until the morning. E's Baby, that's the dang truth. See, if home is where the heart, this is where it gets different, okay? So you go, if home is where the heart is, you do one strum on C at the end of it. If home is where the heart is, then you go back to D. I'm homesick for you, and then you go back to G, okay? Okay, then it's, well, it's Kane Brown. So then it's the same thing, same strumming and everything for the second verse. Then you go back into the chorus. And then after you're done with the second chorus, you're going to do the bridge. And the bridge is incredibly easy. It's not even like a real bridge, honestly. So it's just, so at the end it's, if home is where the heart is, I'm homesick for you. Okay, and then you just do, you go back into the same chord progression, but you go homesick for you. So just D to D. Yeah, yeah. E minor, C. I'm homesick. Okay, that's it. So you just play it through once. You sing those words, homesick for you. Yeah, yeah. And it's the same. It's, you know, just G, D, E, C, and that's it. And then you do that same thing at the very end of the song too, on the outro. It's so. I'm homesick for you. That's D, E, then you go to E minor, yeah, yeah. And then you just end it on a G strum, just like that, okay? And I do that a lot too when I'm ending songs. I'll go something like that. Anyway, that's the whole song. So let me know if you have any questions. I know I didn't teach the intro, you know, the way that it's actually being plucked and stuff at the beginning. If you want me to, let me know in the comments and I can do that for you. But I just want you guys to be able to just play, right? For the people that are like new, because I didn't have anyone teach me how to play. I had a buddy that showed me how to read guitar tabs, and that was it. So, and it was really frustrating because I thought I had to play it exactly like they do. I thought if a song had 2 guitars, nope, can't play it, because I didn't realize you don't have to make it sound exactly the same. So anyway, that's the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Please subscribe if you like it, and yeah, stay safe out there, guys. All right, see you next time.